Unbox with me my ultimate slim setup designed to bring that luxurious 5-star hotel bed home. I went all out, starting with the highest strength count I could find because softness non-negotiable. So I want to recreate the perfect 5-star hotel bed right here at home because there's something magical about walking into a hotel room where the bed is perfectly made, the linens are crisp, and everything just whispers rest. So I asked myself, why not bring that the same magic home every single night? First up, the foundation. I chose the highest strength count sheets I could find because when your skin blushes against fabric every night, softness matters. This feel like silk but breathe like cotton, smooth, luxurious, and soothing after a long day. Then I went for the oversized bedsheet set, complete with generous pillowcases. That extra fabric on all sides, it's a game changer. No pulling, no tugging, just smooth, effortless stockings that give that hotel finish look. Next, a foam protector, not just for longevity but for structure. It keeps the mattress feeling firm but cushioned, adding that subtle lift of support that cradle you inside instead of sinking. Now, can we talk cozy layers? This beautiful throw blanket, not too heavy, not too light, adds instant texture and warmth. Whether I'm reading, watching a show, or drifting off, it's my go-to for comfort and calm. Let's move on to the star of neck and spine support. My bamboo dual-sided memory foam pillow. One side is infused with antimicrobial bamboo, gentle and hypoallergenic, perfect for sensitive skin. Flip it and you've got the tensile cooling side for those warm nights when you need that fresh cool feel against your face. Plus, it aligns my neck and back effortlessly. No more tossing, turning, or adjusting through the night. For the ground feel, this down comforter is everything. Heavy enough to feel grounded, but light enough to breathe. Wrapped in a breathable cotton duvet cover. It's finished with a few extra inches on each side. Why? Because fluff matters. This extra overhang gives that cloud-like, photo-ready feel-ness. It doesn't just look blush, it feels like a cocoon of comfort. Every item I choose is about intention, softness, breathability, support, and just the right touch of luxury. Because sleep isn't just rest, it's recovery, it's sanctuary, and honestly, you deserve to feel like you're checking into a 5-star experience without ever leaving your home. So here's to better nights, deeper rest, and waking up feeling like your best self. And just like that, my bedroom transforms into my personal retreat. Calm, curated, and completely mine. Every texture, every layer, every thoughtful detail, choosing with one goal in mind. Comfort that feels like care. Because we don't just need a place to sleep, we need a place that holds us. A space where we can let go, reset, and recharge. And yes, this setup might look luxurious, but what it really brings me is peace. The kind that welcomes you in and says, you are safe here, you can rest. So if you've been thinking of upgrading your sleep game, take this as your sign. You don't have to book a suite. Just start with your sheets. Welcome to home. With that 5-star feel, thanks for unboxing with me. Until next time, stay cozy, sleep well, and love where you rest. If you love this setup or find some inspiration for your own bedroom glow up, don't forget to like, share, or drop a comment. I would love to know what makes your sleep space feel like home. Want link to everything I unboxed today? I've listed them down below, along with a few of my favorite cozy essentials. And if you're into creating beautiful moments of comfort, from sleep routines to soft living, make sure to hit follow, subscribe, or come say hi over on Instagram at LikelyJ. Because when it comes to rest, you deserve nothing less than luxury. Thanks for spending this time with me. Until next time, stay cozy, sleep deeply, and live beautifully.
Yeah. Let's go again.